Hey, this is Nitin. I'm going to show you how to remove the System.io affiliate badge from your funnel pages. Quick disclaimer here, you can only remove the badge if you are on the paid plans. The System.io badge is the trade-off for using the free plan, and you won't be able to remove it in the free plans. But hey, if anyone clicks on it and buys, then you get an affiliate commission. So let's dive on in and see how to remove the badge. So here I am inside one of the funnel accounts that I use to teach my students, and I already have a funnel open. I'm going to go ahead and click on the edit page and wait for the editor to open. Now if you see in the bottom right hand corner, you will see the System.io badge here. Now what you need to do is go to the top left side where you have the settings, click on the settings. That opens up your settings, and you're going to scroll all the way down to this heading that says affiliation. And here it says display an affiliate badge to earn lifetime commissions. Now you can click on this question mark. It's going to say you can earn up to 60% lifetime commissions. Now here, this entire part is grayed out, and you can click on this question mark, the second one, and it says that affiliate badge can't be disabled on free plans. So this specific checkbox is grayed out. And I wanted to show this specifically inside my free plan to show that it is not possible inside a free plan. Now, if you click on this checkbox in a paid plan, you'll be able to switch this off, and this specific badge can be toggled off. And that's how you will be removing your System.io badge. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Bye-bye.